How to make someone like you. 1. Why do we crave connection? Humans are wired for connection. Psychology. Maslow's hierarchy. Belonging is a core need. Social brain theory. We evolved to be part of tribes. Neurochemicals. Liking, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin. 2. Trick number 1. Mirroring, the chameleon effect. What? Subtly copy body language, posture, and tone. Why? Mirror neurons signal empathy and familiarity. Impact. Builds trust, and we're similar vibes. 3. Trick number 2. Use their name, the cocktail party effect. What? Say their name naturally in convo. Why? The brain is hardwired to notice its own name. Impact. Increases personal connection. 4. Trick number 3. Ask for a favor, Ben Franklin effect. What? Ask a small favor, e.g., opinion or help. Why? Doing a favor. Guards. I must like this person. Cognitive dissonance. Impact. Makes people feel helpful and emotionally invested. 5. Trick number 4. Give genuine compliments. What? Compliment character, not just looks. Why? Personalized praise activates self-identity bonds. Impact. Boosts self-worth and affinity. 6. Trick number 5. Active listening. What? Nod, reflect back, and validate. Why? Being heard triggers oxytocin, bonding hormone. Impact. Builds deep emotional trust. 7. Trick number 6. Create inside jokes. What? Refer to shared experiences or quirks. Why? Shared reality theory. It makes your bond feel unique. Impact. Creates emotional intimacy. 8. Trick number 7. Subtle touch. Anchoring technique. What? Light touch on arm or shoulder in warm moments. Why? Touch builds familiarity and safety if welcome. Impact. Anchors emotions to physical cues. 9. Trick number 8. Show a flaw, pratfall effect. What? Admit a harmless mistake. Why? Competent plus vulnerable. More likable. Impact. Builds relatability without lowering respect. 10. Trick number 9. Highlight shared values. What? Find common ground, beliefs, passions. Why? Similarity principle reduces friction and increases comfort. Impact. Deepens connection. 11. Trick number 10. Trigger positive emotions. What? Make them feel good in your presence. Why? We associate good feelings with people nearby. Emotional anchoring. Impact. You become a safe space. 12. Bonus psychology. Why it all works. Reciprocity. People return emotional energy. Emotional contagion. Moods are contagious. Cognitive dissonance. Actions change thoughts over time. 13. Call to action. Main takeaway. Connection is a skill, not luck. Use psychology, not manipulation. CTA. Which one are you going to try first? Follow for more human psychology tips.